biara na Bishop Obinim edi nkratso de ba Christopher asebe enye Christopher nya na omo wo na asesese no anti minim se ebi asofo nkai no so beji sankrato yi apase de omo members de a eye Bishop Obinim eni abre page na so dem manas ne members nyina nkrato se wo ba sorry na wonim se wonkite sika sebe pebebi cha na se wo ba nso dia na wonim se wo correction wo de beto correction aye keto akra no eye fi 20 cedis kon no sre se wo kita 10 cedis pebebi cha wo kita 5 cedis pebebi cha ne mo fa wa no fa we me de man of fa me ye radia ye na mabodi din se dan kwanyame or prefer no more sin senia would beba what the 5 cedis and not 10 cedis eba be ye nyame what the 5 cedis and not 10 cedis 84 no fafa and as would need be kra so trefie na mumem ma sorry kra prophet Kumchacha enu so de nanu abetum mesel obaki eye papa Obinim anase wo mark no ma yenti nanum nsembra sesia
increase bibia now bad asolia na tete na 5 cedi 2 cedi kokono voda ene ya David aboba queens na de abetum na wo free fi a wo ba asole kora a wo free fi a wo ba o fa boat efa uber ema uber driver ni boat driver ina na to waje 200 Ghana na wo ba asole ya na wa be yi 5 cedi e de ato ofre sabe fidie we eso kenya sa ka be ka se wanim se kwakuo wa be yi 5 cedi e de ato ai ofre e wo bra patrol yatom so but don't come to church and don't bring coins and 2 cedi and 1 cedi and 5 cedi. Why?
So for what happened to the story about the poor widow?
Poor.
In the Bible, the poor widow. Onyeni mobro okunafo na ode ne sika ketu akotum.
I can't force you. So only be me so prophet Kumchacha I can't force you. But yaba men can say yaba radio. Yabeje airtime. Ya preaching. Ya tuya airtime or radio. Be almost be 1,000 or 1,005. What it must say? You preach with TV near there. Yeah. Now ban your bar for the end now ko yi 2 cedi. One kasa kora no. We hear deliverance. Full deliverance 2 cedi. The 2 cedi no da ben ya be bo ano. Ose. Da ben ya be bo ano. Ya de be ba ko tuya radio ni TV. Eti no sad ya na won ye no. Onyai emayi ba okuta iPhone 7, iPhone 20, 30, 50 na wa better so them.
But Prof,
air conditioned church.
Don't you think this amounts? In fact, it's not even about thinking. This amounts to discrimination.
Exactly.
Discrimination.
Yes.
Wouldn't
it be there if you don't have no problem? By what better air conditioned church?
So
listen to me. Air conditioned church. Come and pray. Come and pray offering. You come and give 2 cedi, 5 cedi.
But why? You open the church for everyone to come. So why is it that if I come and I drop 5 cedis, you are complaining? You don't know what happened.
Master, 5 cedis is too small.
So I shouldn't come to church.
Should I still come to church?
Master, I know na maka achire mo no. Se wo mpe wo ho asem a tena wo fie. Mimiti wei. Se minisika me di betua me dan ka e wa aburuchira metia. Ye betumi e de makoto abonten. Ekona ba abusua enim ho hwe. Me na makohan me dan na minisika me di betua ho ka. Me ne oma na me yi afri dan ni. Etu ye sofo na to so betu han aso dan na besi aso dan na wakotene ma preachia. Na se du na wuntimi ntua ho ka eyetu na betu akofi akoda. Ba se also wuntina ofie na abekosofo ne dem wo so kobo mpaya. Chairman eke beba no be cha gu so amu atua bi. Ena Kumchacha pese ote ase no. Okoye okotena air condition mu. Okoye we okoye se Kumchacha achirem alikonti wo so utua ho ka. Nti don't go there na yabo hu de wura abo nkofo nte ase no. Eya ha na asem ni nyina awo. 1 2 9 si ho a utu ba be dwene wo ho. Yesi brebra amba amane amma. Utu na di kusi ho omo be charge wo. because ọmụ mfa wo ho ne wo toa ne wo concert a wo ye.
Sesi ade. Who this can no atna feel. Who this can hear alcohol and no media be fee. Emi that is so o twa be makra.